I can guarantee that you have never in your life had a banana pudding like this. Instead of regular vanilla wafers, this has cinnamon sugar vanilla wafers, which you cannot buy in the stores. You will need to check out my video on this one. And it has a caramel sauce, which is super easy to make. Check out my video on that one too. I'm starting off using a 3-ounce package of instant vanilla pudding. Into it, I'm adding in some whipped cream to that. I'm using about a cup that I whipped up in a stand mixer. Added some vanilla and some sugar. I don't use those non-dairy whipped toppings because, as you can see, they contain a bunch of oils, gums, and a bunch of other stuff. They call it whipped topping. I don't know what it is, but I can tell you what it's not though. I'm just mixing in the pudding and the whipped cream until it becomes a smooth consistency. And then I'm going to start to layer it at the bottom of my dish. This is where I'm starting off, is with that mixture. And once I've got that spread on the bottom, I'm then going to move into adding my bananas. So I've got about 4 bananas that I cut up, just sliced them up, and I'm just going to layer these until I get that whole layer done. Then I'm going to move on to adding my cinnamon sugar vanilla wafer cookies. And I'm just going to do the same thing, layer them up. Simple process. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to add on my caramel sauce that I made, and then repeat the process. Pudding, layer. Bananas, layer. Cookies, layer. Caramel sauce, layer. Just repeating the process till you get to the end, which is where we are. We are at the top, where we're adding the last layer of the cinnamon sugar vanilla wafer cookies, and we're about to now add in the caramel sauce to the top of that. Instead of taking the regular old banana pudding to your family functions and holidays and Sundays, you can start taking this one, because I can guarantee you this is something that nobody's had, but everyone will love.